and welcome to another episode of Mixology Monday. I'm Robbie, got my lovely wife Caroline here. We are at location in the oldest legal rum distillery in the Carolinas, Muddy River Distillery. We got another fall cocktail for you guys today. We're doing a milkshake, right, Caroline? What is this?
Yeah, this is our pumpkin spiced rum milkshake.
Nice.
So
nice.
More
cool.
desserty type. Starting to get definitely colder here in North Carolina, so snuggle up on the couch, but also have a milkshake for dessert.
And we'll put a way to do a virgin version, so family style milkshake where you can make this, add the rum later. Today we're gonna feature our Muddy River Spiced Carolina Rum. This is our best seller. It is awesome. It is fall in a glass, even though it just slays it year round. People love our spiced rum. It is literally, I could say in fact, for a fact, the best spiced rum that's probably ever existed in the universe.
Ever,
At least
by
in the
far.
Milky Way galaxy.
Yeah.
So
in the known galaxies.
in the known galaxies. Anyway, we're using our spiced Carolina rum today. What else goes into this cocktail?
We are going to use half and half. Ice, vanilla ice cream. I love the like vanilla bean kind that has the little dots in it.
Real ice cream.
Yes, real ice cream.
That's it?
And that's it. Yeah, ice.
Okay.
Yeah.
right.
Spiced rum, ice cream.
So step one, add ice.
Yeah, let's start with the ice. We're gonna do a cup of ice. We're gonna make 2 in here, so half a cup each.
This for 2 people?
Yep.
All right.
Then we're gonna do 2 scoops per person of ice cream. So
2 scoops.
get in there, dig it on out. I mean, I like mine more milkshakey and ice creamy, so.
Yeah, again, these
Fill her up.
recipes are just, guidelines. Make this drink how you want to make this drink.
And we're also gonna use pumpkin puree here.
All right. So we've got our ice cream in the glass, or in the blender. What's next, Caroline?
Let's add that pumpkin puree.
All right, all right,
So
all right.
it's 1 ounce each.
That's an ounce, huh?
Yep. Give it that kick of fall.
That's what makes this is officially a fall drink because of the pumpkin, right? Unless you just want a
Yeah.
all year long pumpkin person.
And then 1 ounce each of half and half.
All right.
Give it a little extra creaminess too.
1 ounce.
1 ounce, yep.
It's not a lot.
Yeah, you want a lot of ice cream in there. That just helps cream it out a little bit.
Cream it out. All right.
That sounded gross.
All right, we ready to blend this thing?
The rum. Oh, we're
yeah.
gonna do family style first?
No, we'll put the rum in, but if you were doing this family style, make your milkshake, top it with the rum later, all right? So
1 ounce each, so 2 ounces total.
2 ounces for the whole thing.
Yeah, you can really taste the rum in this.
Yeah, rum comes through milkshakes
Yeah.
pretty intensely.
So
But
1
it's
ounce
still
per
awesome.
person
And that's it.
first. That's it.
I feel like I need more ice cream in this.
Oh wait, yeah. Yeah, you do need some more ice cream in that, come on. Ice cream? Mmm. Yum.
And we blend. Okay, smells like fall, that's for sure. It's smoky.
So cold. You get a little baby because you don't like ice cream as much.
Okay. So we'll work on the proportions a little bit more, but that is our milkshake.
Yeah.
So there you have it.
Pumpkin spiced rum milkshake.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below along with links to our social media. And thank you so much for watching. Happy fall. Cheers.
Cheers.